Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me. When you're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
si Kuya kakain na rin. Ayan, natalian ko. Hi guys, dito na kayo sa car. Dito na kayo sa Mount actually. Ano na, 3:34 na. Kuha lang ng water si Jan kasi ayan. Yan yung iniwan ni Daan siya ni Race na. Ano yan? Yung harvest, basta yan. Yung chips, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon ba yan? Yung marami kasi iniwan si Daan na. No, come here Kuya because she's gonna cry. So, kuha lang ng drink. Stuck si Kuya kasi umiyak si Oli. Say hi, people. Kuya.
Hi.
Hi. Ano pa? Pagkadating talaga nila sa bahay, lagay lahat ng mga gamit sa car, then diretso dito. Right, yeah? Right? Are you sure you didn't forget anything? How about you, Baba? You got everything? Yeah.
Dad!
Dito na sila.
Dad, it tells me to turn off your blinker. Turn off it on.
Kumain siya ng ano. No iced coffee? Hala. No coffee pero meron tayong pythons.
Dad, it says
and water. Ito yung coffee na kuha niya, nipis. Iced coffee.
Pretty sure I told you to do it later.
Okay. Nakatulog na yung tatlo. Hindi pa malayo yung nararating namin. Pero ayan, bagsak na yung tatlo. Yung dalawa, syempre, kasi galing sila sa school. Si Holly kasi wala rin siyang nap. And kanina, iniwan nila akong mag-ama. Pumunta sila sa shed. Did Jason and Brad came? Yeah. Kasi sabi ni Holly sa akin, Uncle Jason and Brad are here. Sabi ko, where? Tapos sabi niya, umalis daw. Pumunta raw sa shed. So yan, tulog sila. Mainit ngayon, as in. Update. Dito kami sa Narakot, guys. And si Saka yan, gumising ng konti. Bumalik. Si Kuya nakanganga. Si Holly, tulog pa rin. Magano lang, linisin lang ni dyan na saglit yung car. Kasi maraming ano, yung bags. Kung nagda-drive ka, ang daming ano, ayan, tingnan niyo. Ayan. Hindi ko ako makikita niya. Basta yan, oh. So, lilinisan niya. Done washing the car. Ayan, seat back sack. Si Kuya nakanganga pa rin ba? Oh, tuloy pa yung dalawang magkamuka. May pinost ako sa IG nung ano, 2 years old pa lang si Kuya, yung nagpe-pray siya na nag-thank you siya sa rice. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa Instagram, please follow me. Pero ang init talaga ngayon. Alright, okay, dahil ulit tayo. Mag-stop tayo next sa Keith, right, Han? Yeah, chicken. Yun ang next stop namin. Come on, Papa. Careful. Come on, Kuya. Oh, mahangin na dito.
Nice weather, Mom.
Nice weather?
I'm sweating.
Ah, you're sweating. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, go. Go. Here. Oh, last one. You can share with Holly. Last one, Baba.
No, I want noodles.
You want noodles?
Yes, noodles. He's cooking. That's Mom, but that's coffee. Not coffee. Okay, for Dad.
Nakakita siya ng coffee para kay Dad. Away.
Look, that's coffee.
How about you, Kuya?
Get in the bag one. Get in the big one.
Why? Did we have big one? There's no big one. Okay. How about you? Wala na silang ham salad sandwich. Tsaka yung kay Kuya, yung Caesar wrap. Okay, we'll ask. So, ang kinuha ni Kuya ay sweet chili wrap. Yeah, thank you. Holly! Proud na proud siya. Oh, Daddy, I got your coffee. Ayan na, nandito na yung nag-CR lang to. Ito na yung kay Jan and ito yung ating chicken. Bargain bags. Ayan. Good? Alright, let's see it.
Well, yeah. No. Chicken.
Chicken or not?
Mom, can I have drumstick? Yeah. No, let my chicken. No, me.
How come she come up? Oh, yeah.
To bring your sandwich on.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
They got Buffy.
I hate pizza. Oh, I wanted that shirt.
Hey, he's getting the next song. Zachary's getting the
Look for our name, Mama.
Yeah,
Here, Mama.
oh, wait, no, there is on this.
No pickle.
No. We don't even put in the same way. That's supposed to do. No, you're playing.
Where's the Coke?
No. Oh. Put in the stick. You left the phone.
I left this one.
Oh, you could have put chili everywhere. With chili. It's in the fish. Ugh. What is it? It's only touching the wall.
Dalawa pala yung drumstick. Binigay ko na kay Kuya yung isa. Ayan. Sabi niya, bakit daw si Kuya Tigger lagi na yung drumstick? No more, Baba. Next time, it's your turn.
I know.
Wow, this is not lemon.
No more chicken?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, yeah, I finished my... Oh, yeah, I finished my chicken. Oh, hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Ubos yung chicken. Ang natira lang ay eto. Yung salad ni Holly, hindi niya naubos. Ang dami naman kasi. So, ayan. Tapos na tayong kumain dito.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking.
Update, 8:35 na. And kanina, nag-stop pala kami sa Shell. And hindi ko sila na-vlog. Nag-grocery kasi ako. And bumili sila ng lollies. What did you get?
I got...
Yeah, naubos na nila.
I got worms.
And si sour, what's that? Sour.
I got blueberries. They're warheads.
Huh?
Yeah, warheads. Sour bombs.
Oh, basta yun. And meron,
Holly got zap.
ito yung Feb. Ito, paborito ko to. Ito yung, what do you call this? Weather's Original. Alam kung ano yung tamang pronunciation dyan, guys. Basta yan. Sabi ni Jan, tsaka ng mga bata, Weathers. Pero yung tinignan ko kasi, meron ako tinignan pronunciation. Pero sabi ni Jan, British daw yun. Pero sabi niya, dito sa Australia, ang tawag niya dito ay Weather's Original, Han? Yeah. Masarap to. Meron dito yung matigas. Ito yung chewy. So, ayan siya, guys. Ano na, paggabi na. 8:30. Pero hindi pa naman ganun kadilip kasi maliwanag pa naman, oh. Ito, oh. You want some? Ano na sa akin? Sarap dito. This is the chewy. Kinata ni siya. Yeah, thank you. side one.
Yeah, and this.
Yeah, I like this better.
Oh, what do you say, Jack?
I want to go to the mountain bike park.
This is how we used to come to Adelaide. But there was 2 lanes.
Hindi kayo duman sa, sa
There's a mountain bike park.
tunnel. Dito kayo sa Iga on the Hill.
This looks hard to go on a park.
Request ni Sak, dito kami dumaan instead sa tunnel.
No, it's not.
Kasi gusto niya makita yung city.
Not a park.
And nabanggit ko na sa inyo before na nung malilit sila dyan, ito
Yeah,
yung
was there a
dinadaanan nila
shop
kasi
up
wala
So
pang tunnel
here,
before.
right, so there's 2 lanes. Where was it? So yeah, on the other side, so there was 2 here,
Yeah.
going this way and 2 going that way, and there was trucks and all through here.
Yep. There's no tunnel beforehand.
No, this is it here, look, this is the city.
The city. Let's
Yeah,
see
where?
the city.
Whoa.
Wait, slowly, huh?
Yeah, people do take it.
Hindi niya
Look.
makita.
Look, Holly.
Oh, look the city, Baba.
I hate trees.
No. There's a
They're
lot.
grown, though.
There's a lot of trees, so we couldn't see the city.
Yeah, do you know why we need trees?
Why?
Breathe, to breathe.
Look,
That's right. See, hindi na
here's
makita.
so here's the old roads here, see? This one and that one.
Hey, there it is.
This was the only way into Adelaide, like this way.
Can you go
Cars
on it?
everywhere.
Could you
Cars
go on the
everywhere.
other lane or not? Mommy, it's a city.
Where
I can't,
it
I
is,
can't,
Baba?
Because I just saw a car go on the other side.
So
So,
there's
ito yung old
There you
road
used to
before,
be
nung
2
wala pang
service
tunnel.
stations here.
Two
All
service
One of them got
station.
knocked down, I would say. One
They
just...
both have.
Oh, I see the city. I saw
Where?
it. That's the other side of the city. Wow.
Wow, where is
Wait,
it,
so there's an
Baba?
eagle here or not?
There it is.
No one's here. I see the city up straight. Mom, look!
Yeah, there the city.
Dad, people.
Here, there used to be a servo there.
Dito daw yung dating gasolinahan dito. Oh, wala na.
Was it on there?
Mm.
They're old. Why are they? No, someone lives there.
There we used to be
Are you
one
happy,
side.
Zach? We took this way? Hindi niyo makita si Zach, ha? Zaki boy?
Huh?
Are you happy, Zaki boy? Uy,
Yes.
Mom, I see the lights.
you see the lights?
Yeah.
Turn up around here used to be
Whoa, look at that.
Devil's Elbow, we used to call it.
Devil elbows.
Yeah, it's real sharp,
Ah, very sharp daw kasi. Oh.
sharp turn.
Sharp
Mountain
turn.
bike park.
Double elbows ang
Yeah,
tawag.
you can't be sharp.
So,
Wait, what if you go that way then?
what's this on?
You can see anything here? Can't
No.
really see much.
Akala yung makakita natin yung parang
This is the
sightseeing ba?
mountain bike park.
Wala. Di nyo makita yung city pero may kami nakikita. Ayun oh. No. Not really, hon.
City there.
No. Oh, no lie. Kasi matataas ng puno oh. Mga puno na yung mga kita nyo.
Can't really see.
Na. So at least, nag-tour tayong
Always used
konti
to do
dito
this.
sa ano.
No, no.
Sa kanyang, nung bata pa sila.
So you used to come around here like all with trucks, you know?
Yeah.
Koala.
See koala bub.
Yeah, I saw a koala on the spotlights.
Oh, right.
Oh, not a real one.
Moms,
Yes.
koala lives here.
Yes.
Wait, Dad, where's the devil's elbow?
So hindi natin makikita yun yung tunnel.
No, here.
Okay. You're happy now, Zach?
Wow, I see the city.
Where's the city, Baba? I couldn't see. It's dark now. I saw it before. Over there. 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 Here you go. Oh, diba?
See anything?
Yeah.
Not really.
Ayun, not really. Pero dito, hindi yung makita sa camera.
You gotta go up the other one.
Yeah, tingnan niyo. Yun yung city, oh. Maganda yung view dito.
Cool, Mom.
Oh, yeah, baby. Thank you, hon. O, diba, tinuloy niya tayo.
Mommy, I see the deep.
You see the deep?
Yeah.
See that?
That light, it was in your spot.
Remember you
Yeah.
had to take this way when they were doing something with the tunnels, man?
Yeah.
One lane ahead.
Is this one is farther from the tunnel, like If you take, no, I mean if you take the tunnel, is this farther?
Nah, yeah.
Farther, this one.
There it is here. I reckon
What?
Devil's Elbow.
Devil's Elbow. Where? Hindi ba pala yung isa? Here. This one?
Nah, that's not it. It's
No,
down
no.
the bottom here.
No, this one
Or
down.
is it we're back on the highway?
No, we're back on the
Here it
highway.
is.
This one?
Yeah, we used to come around here with two lanes, trucks,
Yep.
all the trucks were coming up.
Coming up.
This is it here, look.
Were trucks always cheap or not? They were trucks.
Wala to sa ano papuntang Quezon Province,
Yeah,
yung
the
bitukan
trucks
tinatawag
keep-
sa atin, di
Nah,
ba?
but they had to go up that hill, like
your spot.
hard going up the hill.
Oh, okay.
Are we?
I think we come out of the cameras, don't we?
Just someone do go. Comes here.
Daldal ni Oli.
Wait, we're going
Baba?
That's it.
That's it, Zach.
back. We're going.
Where?
Wait.
That's it, Zach. And dito na tayo sa main road.
No, I thought you can go up the Eagle on the hill. I
Yeah,
thought you can go Eagle on the hill. There's no more tunnel.
that's it.
Guys, so put
Stop
that
tayo
back.
dito sa Star Mart para sa coffee and water.
Put it back, not yours.
Wish you luck, hon, for your coffee.
No, I don't know. I've got another
Hi.
one in the back. TJ, ready to get some water too.
You already have coffee?
Yeah, I got one in the back.
Okay. So water lang si Kuya ang bibili. Kasi naubos namin yung tubig, yung malaking bottle, naubos namin. Ang asim niyan, Zach.
Two big ones, mate.
Yeah, please, thank you. Can I have...
You want some?
Tingnan niyo si Zach. Go, Zach.
You want some?
Go, Zach. Okay, thank you. Ang sobrang asim nito.
Take this.
Malala pa sa crying baby.
Hang on. Yeah.
Crying baby ba yung bubble gum? Okay, go, Zach. Holly, excuse me.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Wala na. Go.
Now, man, and you just get one.
Big bottles.
Look at me, Zach. Kanina, asim na asim siya. Zar?
I'm not sour now.
Kanina yung first niya, grabe yung asim ng mukha niya. Binigyan ako ni Zach na dalawa. Kakasigat na sa mukha. Sobrang asim.
Look at me and Mum.
Gusto ang tapang niya kanina, but the first one, when you try it, it's really sour, right? Your face was like, what?
Like, don't try the yellow one first.
Why?
When you first get them.
Why? It's too sour?
Yeah, because it's lemon.
Yeah. Oh, asim. Parang siya yung crying baby ba yun?
And I found, and I ate a green one first. And
Did
it
you?
was so sour.
Because I got my own.
Show me that one, Baba. Ito yan, oh.
How much?
Sour
And I'll get
bombs. Ayan,
No.
ang tawag.
Give some.
Ang dami, wala na. Kunti na lang, puno to, oh. Wala na.
Where's Dad?
Thank you.
One more.
Outside, okay. Binibigyan po ni Shaq. It's alright, kuya. Toilet. Give me the water. Ah! Ah, ang asim ng green. The green is too sour.
I know.
Kuya, ayun yung tubig, oh.
Yeah. There's more money.
Huh?
There's more now.
Got belly now, yeah?
Hello.
Ay, stop, oh. Nasa toilet siguro si Jem.
That is the one was it got Jay Holden. Please no.
Dito na tayo, guys. And tingnan nyo yung mga backpack nila, oh.
We left Holly.
Oh, yeah, so Holly. Hiding there, oh. Hi, Holly. Ah. Ayan, oh, diba? Kanino yon? Zach, Kuya, Holly. No, 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 no. Oh, your slipper. Your sandals, Holly. No, please. Okay, number 17, right? Or 19. 90. Yeah, 19. Dito na tayo. And nandito yung mga luggage. What's wrong, Zach? Did you put the water in the fridge, Kuya? Hoy, Holly, be quiet because people are sleeping. Say hi.
Hi.
Naka-ano na sila, naka-change na siya ng pang-tulog, yung mga boys naligo. Ito hindi ko pinaligo, pinunasan ko lang siya. Magpapasalamat lang kami kasi na-reach natin ang 400k subscribers sa Chona and my kids and 100k followers tayo sa Instagram. Maraming salamat, guys. What you gonna say to the people?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat kasi sobrang sinuportahan niyo ang channel namin. And we'll see you again
Tomorrow.
So, close na namin yung vlog. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you. See you in next vlog. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you. Bye. Happy 400k subscribers sa Chona and my kids and happy 100k followers sa Instagram siya. Say thank you, hon. Thank you. Thank you. Zara, what did you do?
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.